Hello students, in this video I'm going to tell you about the basic definitions which are related to the spherical mirrors. So first of all, let's see what is a spherical mirror. I'm holding a ball in my hand. You all are familiar. This ball is a cricket ball, but it is hollow ball. Means that there is nothing inside. This is empty from inside. So if I cut this ball, now let's assume this is a spherical mirror, and if I cut this ball into two halves or two parts, so I'll be getting two halves, and then I'll be defining what is a convex and what is a concave mirror. So if I'm cutting this spherical ball into two halves, and if I'm taking the outer surface of this ball as the reflecting surface, suppose the outer surface is the shinier one, but I paint the ball from inside with silver paint and a protective coat, so my outer surface will be shinier and reflecting surface. So in this case, I'll be calling this spherical mirror as convex mirror. But if I take the other way around, like I coat the outer surface of the mirror with silver coating, and the inner surface of this spherical mirror is shiny or reflecting surface, then in that case it will be called a concave mirror. Right? Now let's try to understand the terminology related to the spherical mirrors. So suppose this is my spherical mirror, and for my practical or for my activities or for my understanding of the concept, I'm using just a part of this spherical mirror. So I'm taking a piece of this spherical mirror for carrying out my experiment or activity, right? So if I'm using this part, suppose, for understanding the concepts of reflection and image formation by these different kinds of mirrors, then I'll be taking this part of convex or concave mirror, and let's define. Now what is the center of curvature? Now the center of curvature is the center of the spherical mirror from which we have taken that part of the mirror. So it's not the center of this mirror, it is the center of the spherical mirror for which we are from which we are taking the this part of the spherical mirror, right? So this is represented by letter C. Now what is the pole of the mirror? Now pole of the mirror is the center of that piece of mirror that we have taken or cut from the spherical mirror. जिस स्फेरिकल मिरर से हमने अपना एक स्फेरिकल छोटा सा मिरर कट किया है, उसका हम जो सेंटर है उसको हम रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं with the letter P, and that's called the pole. Now the distance of this center of curvature from the pole is the radius of the curvature and represented by capital R. Now this is the radius of curvature. The distance of the pole from the center of curvature is called the radius. Even if you see other way around also, in your mathematics also you are using these terms. The center of the circle you call center, then the distance of the any point from the center of curvature is called radius of that circle. Similarly, we are using the same terms here. Then what is focus now? Now focus is a point, because concave mirror and convex mirror. Concave mirror is called converging mirror because in concave mirror the image formation is real, and in convex mirror the image formation is virtual. That means when the parallel rays are coming towards the convex mirror, what happens in that case? These rays, they get reflected from the outer shinier surface only, but they appear to meet at a point on the principal axis. If we extend these lines backwards behind the mirror, they will appear to meet at a point, and that point where the rays appear to meet after reflection in convex mirror is called focus. This is the radius of curvature, and this point where the rays of light they appear to meet after reflection from a convex mirror is called focus. And if we consider the case of concave mirror, now here again, if we take some parallel rays coming towards the mirror, So suppose this is the again pole of the concave mirror, and this is center of curvature, and then these rays, because they are coming parallel to the principal axis, so after reflection they'll be meeting at a point. Now they don't appear to meet, but they actually meet. They actually meet at a point, and that point is called focus. So in the case of concave mirror, where the rays of light coming parallel to the mirror meet after reflection at a point, and that point is called focus. And in convex mirror, the rays of light after reflection appear to meet at a point behind the mirror, and that point is focus. Right? That is why, because they are here, they are appearing to meet. In convex mirror, they are appearing to meet, and in concave they actually meet. So that is the main difference, why the image formation by concave mirror is real, and by the convex mirror it is virtual. Now what is this principal axis we are talking about in both the cases? Principal axis is the line joining the pole, focus and center of curvature. The straight line. You can say the line passing through the radius or the diameter of the sphere. So the line joining the pole and the focus and center of curvature is called principal axis. So these are the basic terms used in context with the mirrors. I hope it's clear for you now.